with grief and with ill feeling, dark and dense, I will now sing no song, gives no pleasance, for worth has taken a great fall from valiance, and noble rank is lessened in Provence. In grief I seek for the prison of valiant lord and rich. Well, should all Spain be mournful and complain, and Romans justly weep and not refrain, for the Frank senator of noble train, the boldest from Burgundy to Almaine, too much did weak each one who left on the field the valiant lord and rich. All Spaniards from the Ebro to Compostelle must sweep the prison that was never well, nor is of Lord Henry of Castile, and King Alfonso, who rules with ancient skill, must swiftly seek